Rabbit had a fly upon his nose.
Ooh, look, an extra box. Ooh, it's shiny. They give you a sword. Oh, it's broke. Here you go hit your sister with that. And another box. Hello? The instructions, mobile whiteboard. Did you know it's a mobile? Well, it's a whiteboard that you can also call your friends on. It was a joke, that was a joke. Catch. Notice, do not do it wrong. Why are you holding your sandwiches? Whoa!
Your eye!
Oh my god, that's a really good idea. Are you having a nap?
Hello.
Do you like my new skateboard? Doing some sweeping?
Yes. Wheel slip sweeping.
Wheelie?
Sleeping.
Wheelie wheelie? This looks amazing. Dun dun dun. Step 3. Remember your IKEA training. Hello, Phoenix, what would you like to say?
That's a cute picture of us.
That is a cute picture of you. Very relevant.
I'm reading my lunch.
On my whiteboard. Sorry. 2 bolts. This is really easy. How? What are you doing? Step number 4. Step number 5. Remove 2 8-year-olds from the room. Tense. A person who is trained in the art of stagecraft will be facing the camera. What's this? It's a dishwasher. I put one of the sides on the wrong way. Of course. No, put the back on. Let us begin again. Remember, every moment is a new opportunity. No, not to cry, to make a terrible mistake. I mean, to begin again. Amazing. Look more magical. There we go. Lovely. Like Christmas. We successfully built a whiteboard. Say bye, Mommy.
Bye, Mommy.
Oh, that was funny.